Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel, you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this. At the top, we have the ultra long battery life. And to enable the power saving mode, simply tap on this icon and then tap on the check mark to confirm. As you can see, the power saving mode will disable the connections to the internet, so mobile data and Wi-Fi network, and also some of the other features to save the battery life. So tap on the check mark to confirm and the mode will be enabled. Okay, and now we have the power saving mode enabled. You can tell by this icon changing to standard mode icon. So once you see the standard mode icon at the top, it means that the power saving is enabled, and of course the Wi-Fi icon from here is gone, as you can see, so we can't enable it. If you want to enable Wi-Fi, you need to disable the power saving mode. Okay, and to disable the power saving mode, open the quick panel and tap on the standard mode icon and tap on the check mark to confirm. And as you can see, now we're back in the normal mode, and that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.